We should not produce a student without getting exposed to AI. I think that the skill sets that we want them to have to make them most successful in the workplace is being able to work in that team, be able to communicate ideas effectively, and also to be able to orally present things. Regardless what you are a salesman, and the best ones, I think, are the ones that had a big problem during the whole process because they persevered, got through it, learned how to fix it, and was ready to go. Knowing what the tools are, how testing's done, how you evaluate product success makes them successful. Well, I think one of the things that allows them to be better problem solvers is also the way the Leo works. I mean, you put in a problem, it tells you what calculations it's used. But what I think they've done is like working with another colleague. I mean, another team member. And it's like getting a different perspective that you may not have thought of. And I think that made them think outside the box, if nothing more, because this team member I've got has a lot of capacity and is able to look things up pretty quickly. So that's going to make me a better problem solver because I got a new team member on my team, not taking my job, but helping me. One of the classes where we do a bridge design. We design with our classic tools. We start out with strength of materials and statics, and they have to design it and do the method of joints and method of sections. So they take that and they design the bridge. We build them and we crush them and look at the force versus deflection. Now this year, with the help of Leo AI, I integrated that into the class to have another tool. Then we said, okay, you've done a bridge with your hand calculations, your inventor calculations. Now let's do it with Leo. Usually it takes the whole semester to design the bridge with all our classic techniques and build it. So we had about 4 weeks to use Leo. In 4 weeks' time, they designed a Leo bridge. In every single case, the Leo bridge used less popsicle sticks and gave some reasonable forces versus the original way with more popsicle sticks. Well, I would hope that everyone sees it as a capstone tool. You need to do it before you leave this institution. I would be neglecting a student if they did not learn CAD. I mean, that would be a total disregard for what was really going on out there. They have to introduce it, they have to use it, and just be ready for it when you go out there, because the world is not going to stop and not use it. And so I think hopefully in 10 years, that an accreditation like ABET would say you should expose student to AI so they know how to use it and be able to integrate that into their toolbox when they graduate. We would not produce a student without CAD. We should not produce a student without getting exposed to AI.